Alright guys, so today we are having homemade tacos. I haven't had homemade tacos in a while. So I got a big bag of avocados from Walmart. So that's why I'm having tacos. That'll be great for tacos. So we'll do a little experiment. I'm going to try to see what these tacos taste like with this Jack in the Box taco sauce. I've been hearing good things about this taco sauce. And I'm also going to do an experiment. I really like the mild sauce from Taco Bell. So I'm going to try maybe 2 of these with the mild taco sauce from Taco Bell. And these 2, I'll probably try it with the Jack in the Box taco sauce. So we'll try this first with the taco sauce. This is romaine lettuce. I wanted to get like iceberg, but they were out. Can't believe they're out of iceberg, but I think iceberg's better because it's more crispier for tacos, but romaine's fine too. Some tomatoes. I forgot olives. I usually put olives on my tacos, but I did forget the olives, guys. Oh, don't have avocado. But I did remember to get, obviously I have avocado. So the avocado. A little sour cream. Top it with this cheese. It's Kraft Mexican Ford cheese. And I want to try the Jack in the Box sauce. Lettuce. Tomatoes. So I do have my new microphone. It came in, but for some reason my iPhone is saying it's not recognizing it, so hopefully it will be good to go. Now these tortillas I got, they did not have corn tortillas for some reason. They were out, I guess. So it's a combination of corn / wheat, I think. So when I fry them, they're usually more crispier, so I don't know if they're gonna be very crispy. I just didn't get the right ones. So oh yeah, avocado. Got sour cream. And cheese. All right, let's get this show started. All right, I think I'm gonna try this Taco Bell sauce first. Try it out. Let's give it a try, guys. Not crunchy. Wow. I can taste the sauce, the Taco Bell sauce. It's really mild flavor. It's really good. All right, let's try this one. This is the Jack in the Box taco sauce. So far, it's pretty good. I like the Taco Bell mild sauce. It's kind of like more of a taco sauce. Really is, I guess, but this one has more flavor to it. It's hard to explain. So you get more bites. It might be less spicy because there's like less taco flavor, if that makes any sense. But I do like it. So I saw two new shows or two new things on Netflix. So the first thing I saw was actually a movie. It was called The Perks of Being a Wallflower, I think. I'll leave the title down below, but I think that's what it was called. Pretty good story. It's about this teenager. He enters freshman high school. He's a little bit nervous. He writes in his diary. It's like a coming of age story. And John Cusack plays his teacher. And he's kind of like awkwardly shy, and it's hard for him to make friends, and he makes some friends. It's kind of like, there's more to it than that, but I don't want to like give anything away. If you haven't seen it, I think it was like filmed in 2012, I think. So it's been a movie out for a while. I just saw this movie in my recommendations at Netflix, and I thought I would tell you guys about it. It's pretty good. And the other show I saw was called The Tiger King. You guys probably heard of it. I only found out about this. It's actually a documentary. So I only found out about this documentary by McCope. And I did a live a few weeks ago. A few of my subscribers at the same time were like, "Hey, have you seen this documentary?" I'm like, "No." So I checked it out. And then later I realized it was viral. So I might as well check it out. It was alright. If I had to rate it, probably 3 out of 5. It was alright. I don't know if I want to give too much away in case you haven't heard about it, but it's a documentary and it was interesting. It's a true story. The main character, not the main guy, he has a lot of tigers, and I don't want to give too much away. But half the way through the documentary, I was searching this one woman, thinking, did she do it? But like I said, I don't want to give too much away. But I was like, I hate when I do that, like, So that's an interesting topic, but like I said, if you haven't watched it, I don't want to get too much away, but it was interesting. I haven't been watching a lot of Netflix lately, but I had some time, so I watched a couple of things. Let me know, guys, what you recommend on Netflix. Curious? A little messy. So I felt bad for my mom. She was on her last roll of toilet paper, and she went to every store and they were all out. So she decided to order some online, I think from Amazon, and it was just taking forever, like a month. I'm not thinking, is she ever going to get this toilet paper? I feel so bad for her. So since I work at Walmart, I know when they stock the toilet paper. So I shipped her like 4 rolls in a box, put everything wrapped really well in a plastic bag so it would stay really safe. It turned out that she got the same toilet. She got my toilet paper and the other one from Amazon today. But she wanted me to show you this picture. I sent her the roll. So the picture is one big roll versus one small roll. So the small roll, I guess, came from China. I didn't realize, but I guess it came from China. And it's quite small. And my roll is so big. You can see a difference. I'll show it to you right now. So yeah, guys, do you see the difference? I just laughed so hard, like, how small is it? I mean, toilet paper is really hard to come by, so I'm just really glad that she has some. I'm glad that I'm able to work at Walmart, and I know when they stock it and stuff. So today, my brother, he texted me a picture of what he had for breakfast, and he hardly ever does that. But this breakfast looks so good. You guys will love. I was like thinking, God, this will be a great mukbang video. Let me know if you guys. So here's the picture right now. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do this breakfast. But it was 2 eggs over easy, 2 pieces of bacon, some like smashed avocado, I think, toast with cheese. Looked like it was American cheese. Looked really good though, and a pickle. And I think he even had coffee, or maybe it was orange juice and milk. That's probably what he had. But it was. I was like, damn, that looks so good. Too bad there's no crunch. There's added tortillas that I wanted. So how do I feel about this Jack in the Box taco sauce? It's alright. It's not like my favorite. I mean, like, honestly, I'm not really big on taco sauce. I just love salsa. And guys, Jack in the Box has really good salsa. I get it with the breakfast burritos. It's so good. That was good. I haven't had tacos in a while. I got a request to do lasagna and salad. That's coming up, guys. It just I had this whole bag of avocados and it was ripe, and I wanted to use it up. So it's gonna go ripe all at once, and I work the next couple of days, so I'm not gonna have time to make anything. Well, maybe I could. I get up at 9 p.m. now, so maybe I can have time. I did read an article today that if you're an essential worker, you might get extra pay. Like a lot more extra, like a lot more. I'm not sure if it's really true or not, so I don't really want to go into detail. It's like it has to be passed first or something. But if they do pass it, I'll be getting a lot more. They really mentioned grocery workers, so I don't know if my day job, that's essential too. I don't know if I'm gonna get extra pay there. I haven't got anything extra from my day job. But people have been dying who work at grocery stores. There's a few Walmart employees in the East. There's actually a lawsuit, guys, at Walmart. Apparently, 2 people from the same store at Walmart, somewhere in the East, I forgot what state, died. And they told management about them being sick, and I guess they didn't really do anything or didn't really care. I'm not sure what happened. A few days later, they both passed away. So there's a lawsuit with that. So I think they're making a lot of changes. Like they're gonna start taking our temperatures at Walmart now. And they were asking me questions, how are you feeling? Do you have a headache? Sore throat, stomach pain? They're asking me these kind of questions. So, and there's one employee that I follow on Facebook that works at the same Walmart I do, and she has a different virus, not the virus that's killing people. She has a different virus, and because she still has this cough going on, they're not gonna let her back working until her cough's gone. So you want a job, get a job at a grocery store. Just kidding. But no, if you really want a job, any retail store that sells pharmacy or like Rite Aid, CVS, I don't know if there's Long Drugs anymore, not in my area. Target, Walmart, Safeway, any grocery store, Safeway, get on it because they're hiring and they're gonna pay extra money for you. Extra money. Maybe a lot more than they are getting right now. Just a heads up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about there was no crunch, but what do you do? See you next video, guys. Peace.